Hi, I'm Marcus from Marcus Language Academy, and today I like to explain a little bit more about German grammar, which is part of my beginner's course where you learn with stories. And today's topic are the present tense of the two most important verbs, sein, to be, and haben, to have. So let's see what they do. Actually, both verbs are not regular. They are irregular verbs. Therefore, normally I use a red background color for my pictures of the course. So I use colors to really see grammar. So let's see the first verb. The first verb is sein, to be. And every time the conjugation in German of the verb depends on the personal pronoun because it's the subject and it's normally a nominative, and I use the color green because it has an influence of the ending of the verb. In this case, sein is quite irregular, therefore we use the color red to really show this. So let's see what sein is doing. The first person, I, in German would be ich bin. And here we have also an example, ich bin Leo. Okay, you see the background color is red because ich bin is quite irregular. No, there are no rules, it's just irregular. Leo is green because it's the subject of the sentence. So I am Leo, ich bin Leo. Let's see the second person. Du bist Leo. You are Leo. Du bist. No? In third person we have ist Leo. He is Leo. Ist. And the same applies for es ist ein Baby. It is a baby. No? Es ist. And when it's feminine, she is Lina. Sie ist Lina. So in third person the conjugation of sein ist. Let's see the plural. Wir sind, no? We are, wir sind. Wir sind Leo und Lina. And you guys, you all guys, in German we would say ihr seid. No? Please remember, ihr seid Leo und Lina. And they, sie sind. So it's again sind. Sie sind Leo and Lina. They are Leo and Lina. And the formal way, like always, no, it's every time capitalized. You can talk to one person and it takes also the third person in plural. So, Sie sind Leo. You, no, the formal way, are Leo. And if you talk to several people, you can also say Sie sind Leo und Lina. You all, no, in the formal way, are Leo and Lina. So that's the conjugation of the verb sein. So let's see the verb haben. Interestingly, the first person is regular. So ich habe ein Auto as an example. No? Ich habe. No? The en changes to I for the first person like every time for regular verbs. Therefore the background in our image is green because it's a regular verb in this moment. And Leo is green because it's the subject and has an influence of the ending, and the car is blue because it's accusative. But let's see accusative in another video. The second person becomes irregular. Du hast, because the B here disappears. Du hast ein Auto. You have a car. Third person, it's the same. Hat ein Auto. The B also disappears, so it's also irregular. Therefore, the background color is red here. Hat ein Auto. He has a car. It's the same thing. Es hat ein Auto. And sie hat ein Auto. No? Third person in singular, hat. In plural, it's again regular. So, wir haben ein Auto. So it just takes the regular ending en like the infinitive. Wir haben. Ihr habt. No? Regular, just the T like always for regular verbs. Ihr habt ein Auto. You all have a car. Sie haben ein Auto. They have a car. No, regular, no problem at all. And the formal way, the same thing. Sie, no, you, formal. Sie haben ein Auto. Or I talk to several people. Sie haben ein Auto. You all, no, in the formal way, have a car. So this is the conjugation of the two most important verbs in German. You see it. To be, sein, it's quite irregular. Haben, it's just irregular in the second and third person in singular. The rest, it's regular. So thank you very much, and I hope you keep listening to my story to learn German for beginners. Because remember, grammar is always optional. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Check out more videos for more tips on mastering German. Want to take your German learning to the next level? Visit my website for more courses and private lessons. See you there.